Sanibonani, my name is Sipiso Mthethwa Namukela channel yami. If you're a regular regular at T Squad, thank you so much for coming by. And if you're new in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. Namukela guys, we channel yami. Ngiyangazi mina. Ngihlezi ngilate kodwa ke namhlanje ngikhulisa shame. Ngilate kancane. 2 minutes late ngoba ngisashutha late vlog. Namhlanje sami ngizobuka Rick Ross, Moses Mabhida. Rick Ross is in town. Rick Ross is in Durban. Asambeni guys sizobuka Rick Ross. Yeah, I woke up 10 guys. I hope le vlog enjoy. Angazi ukuthi yini ezoba kule vlog ngaphandle kwale event Rick Ross ngoba ezinye insuku kuzobe ngilalele mina. Once ngaphuma nje usuku olodwa, the whole week ngisukelele ngoba ngiyakhathala. Ile nhlobo ekhathalayo ke mina. Ile nhlobo nje esheshayo ukukhathala shame. So yeah, something sobuka Rick Ross. I hope you'll enjoy this vlog guys. Bye.
Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tour. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, pride that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just
South Africa, I go by the name of DJ Nasty 305. If you're ready for the biggest boss, make some motherfucking noise right now. If you're ready, let me hear you say Rick Ross, Rick Ross, Rick, 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 Rick.
Name that music. Name that music.
I'm a boss. We going down. I'm a boss. Talk that shit, Rose. Got so many shit they thought I had a lazy eye. Tell them again. Shorty want me to his mama Mercedes ride. Tell them again. No love, cry when only babies die. And when I go, that cause you better go. double stack, better nigga, double that. Jerry Jones, motherfucker, you a running back. Herschel Walker, Bojack, Ricky Waterman on that dope bag. And I put that on my baby. 400 down, bitch, you what you say? I'm a boss, I'm a boss. South Africa, bounce with it. Yeah, I'm not a star. Somebody lied, I got a chopper in it. What you got, Rose? I got a chopper in it. What you got, Rose? I got a chopper in it. Well, let that motherfucker rip go. Tell me what you will. Big black nigga, in a Nike walk. Shoes on the cool, bitch, I got a Nike shop. Counting pounds, you gon' bring up in a Nike bar. Grinding in my joints, kick them all, they mighty high. Switch, baby.
You can send them back. One in Perico, started Paquito, calling my Chico, call me Gordito. Beefing with these niggas just to gun them down. Had to milk the game, I got 100 cows. Can't be living foul when you're taking vows. Yeah, these niggas game, so he like my child. Having everything to gain, Wayne Park trial. Prosecuted cocaine, trying to lock.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?